Okay, here we go for one more range test now with the Frohawk's antenna on the back. I need to change that to external antennas here. So aircraft, and then I go, think it's not aircraft, it's ground station, right?
It's a ground station.
Yeah,
Yeah.
internal, external. I make sure that my antennas is pretty well tied up. I already checked this. And then external antenna, yeah, I agree. Okay, so this is running external antennas. We turn the drone on.
Home point check coordinates return to home.
So it's just the vertical.
Yeah, and then I'll go just forward a little bit. Can you hold this for me, please?
Yeah.
100 feet. Height, 700 feet away. I'm riding against the wind. We should be going up to 300 feet. Now 237 feet. Oh, there's a car coming there.
No, it just
Oh, it's just going.
it disappeared.
Well, I can still see it.
It's like it's like a dot.
Yeah. We're here now. 315 feet. Go up to 350. Can you still see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see it too. Okay. Now with 5,000 feet, I'll make a small test.
I'm seeing aircraft below that.
Altitude mode.
We're going a little faster now. GPS signal is good. Radio is say it's still full here.
Oh, now I don't see it.
Yeah,
Can you?
me neither. But the video link is great.
Oh yeah.
The video link is just great. And the radio signal here, it says it's full up. And we are still 5,000 feet away now with the external antennas on. Flying at 31.4 miles per hour. Height of 350 feet. Actually 5,500 feet now. And the radio signal says that it's still great.
Wow, is that a huge swimming pool?
Oh no, I think it's a lake or something.
Really? It's like that artificially?
Oh, well, I don't know. You might not be able to see it.
It's like big community swimming pool.
Yeah.
Resort
The
style.
ISO's going up. My shutter speed 1/30th. It should be a 1/60. So it's like now we're getting to the park. The park just should be just ahead of us here. 7,600 feet away. And the radio signal is still great. Now I'll make a short stop here with 8,000 feet. And I'll check my radio signals on the. This is, you do, yeah, you do like. It's still minus 80, minus 77 on the aircraft, minus 770, minus 60. Let me show you this. Maybe it will lose because I'm changing. Okay. So I want that screen to be back with me. Let's keep going. Now it's 8,000 feet away. 8,100, 8,200.
What is the maximum you wanna go?
Well, I don't know. We're just gonna test it. Our signal here says it's still good. Okay, 10,000 feet away. No, 9,000 feet away. Still, I got like 65% of batteries. As we have a headwind, then I don't worry. I can go down to 60 on the battery, so I can come back. Okay, now first glitch came.
Maximum distance reached.
10,000 with maximum distance. Maybe I need to, yeah, I'll just try to go over. Interference warning. Okay. Okay, lost signal with 10,000 feet away. So it should be coming back home.
RDH has been activated.
Okay, REH is activated. Let's try to turn the...
Oh yeah, I mean, I think that should be fine. No?
Yeah, okay, again,
Yeah,
it's here.
just come back.
Oh, maybe we should just put it...
Position mode. RDH has been activated.
Okay, 10,000 feet is good enough for me. It seems like it's not coming back, right? Oh, it is.
No,
It
it
is.
should be,
It is.
yeah.
Yeah, it is coming back. Because we got like 60% of battery, so I don't want to go further. But I think this would go even further. So this ground station is perfect. Thank you.